So what you can see about Cody, this is the hidden hot spring. So what you can say?
People like to skinny dip here.
This one here. So what you can say about the falls?
It's
Cool, right? This is the hidden waterfalls. So wala pang ano, there's nothing doing swimming there. So this is a stunning view. As you can see at my back, this is the stunning view of the hidden falls in waterfalls in Fairmont Hot Spring in British Columbia. See? So now we found the secret, right?
Yeah.
Cody find the secret place.
But
The hidden waterfalls. So this is the Fairmont Hot Spring Resort, the Kini Kiniknik.